In this video it will exactly see so totally like comfortable to add a new token on Galaxy apps. Video would be so easy. First of all, if you haven't these apps, where you get these apps, you can get these apps easily through any browser. These apps is not available on Play Store yet. If I check that, maybe it is not available, therefore you need to search on Chrome browser or any browser. So if I search Galaxy, maybe that is not listed on Play Store. That is not yet listed on Play Store. So anyways, you can get this thing through browser. So go your any browser from your phone and search here galaxy.com, and after that that page will be pop up onto your screen, and here is open Galaxy app. Click on there or click on three dot upper side right hand option, three dot option, click on there, and here is open Galaxy. This option will have to you install app or add to home screen. Click on there and that will be installed. At that time I already installed, therefore it's bring into in the apps. So anyways, how do you add token? Totally easily, totally easy to add, that is because I know. Therefore, first of all, you need to go wallet option, maybe you see money bag option, go there and tap on three dot upper side option right away, right here, and after that send and receive, click on there and click on receive option, right side option, and after that middle on the screen has add tokens option. Click on there for adding a token that you wanna add. You need to have some hedera. Where you get hedera? You will get easily hedera from Binance, from other like exchanger, other tax web3. Anyways, maybe cryptocurrency is the like everywhere has existed easily to transaction, but be alert when you do transaction. Okay, anyways, which token you wanna add? Let's say you wanna add Galaxy. Go Google or any browser, search Galaxy token ID, Galaxy token ID. Immediately that will pop up in front of you, and copy that and paste that token ID here, and after that associates token will be pop up, Galaxy associate token. Click on there. When you create this account of Galaxy, at that time they will want to you a pin for enter these apps, and this pin will want from you like occasionally when you do send money, when you will do any transaction, they will need this pin. So please do remember this pin when you put when you will put this while you create account. So put your pin here and unlocking associating token. Okay, my token is already associated, therefore that is not yet like doing work. So anyways, your will be like like looks like transaction field, token already associated to account because token is already associated. So anyways, I'm saying if I wanna add other, maybe this token, this is an airdrop, go three dot option, click send and receive, click receive option, add token, paste, that is voice token, that is unlucky associated token. Click on there and it will be add because it has not added in my wallet yet. token successfully added. If I go, you will see. Okay, to refresh somewhat, go again, because this app is not listed. This just like recently has published this app, this website, therefore this is so new. Gradually it will be, you know, increase their probability. So token has added, you know, if I go send and receive, you will see to okay, token has added, no problem. You will see any hedera, hashback wallet, blood wallet, any kind of that. See, that is like for this kind of token, you know web3. So I'm checking hashback now. Let me see that is added or not. So where you go, that is taking some time, so sorry for that. Yeah, already unlucky has listed here, that is. I added a you know couple of token on this wallet. Yeah, that is pretty, easy to add, but sometimes it will do any, no, never do that, but some some fee for add any token. So anyways, that's easy. That is, not complicated, so do that.